Hey adventurers, welcome to my office. This is not a trail, by the way. This is where the planning and the pre-prep magic happens. In a later video, we'll probably show you some of my gear wall setup, so there's a little teaser for you. But today I have some really exciting news. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you probably remember a video I posted back in October where I announced a hiking challenge for myself. I was going to challenge myself to earn a new backpack. Now, I could just go out and buy this backpack, but there's no fun in that. Like, let's earn it. Let's do something to earn the backpack. So I told myself that for every mile I hiked, starting in October, that I would donate $1 into my backpack fund for every mile. So if I hiked with a friend, then I would add $2 per mile per backpack fund. It has taken me quite a bit of time, so I started that in October. It is now March, but I have finally earned my backpack, and I'm very excited about this. Now, you can see on the wall, I have one backpack. This is a North Face backpack. I'm pretty sure I bought this backpack like 15 years ago. It's been a great backpack. North Face, great job. I've carried it on airplanes, I've carried it hiking. It's been pretty much all over the country with me. I took it to El Salvador a couple years ago. It's been a really great backpack. But you know, I'm getting into some longer hikes. I'm now leading girls only adventure trips, so I'm taking other women on hikes. And I just need something that's a little bit more technical and something that's gonna be better suited for the level of activity that I'm doing. Don't get me wrong, this backpack has been great and it has lived its life, and I will probably keep it because honestly, it just brings me back. But I'm just ready for something new. I'm looking for something a little bit more technical with some different specs on it. Now, I don't know about you, but I really like watching unboxing videos and seeing what other people get and how they plan to use it. So I'm gonna take you along for the ride. Now, I will say I was easily influenced by another TikToker at Capri and Me. I saw her with this pink Osprey backpack and decided right then and there that I had to have it. I did do a little bit of research though, just to make sure it was exactly what I wanted, and yep, it was exactly what I wanted. The running vest inspired harness and the color of the pack are honestly what sold me the most, but I ordered the size medium large, which holds 20 liters. This is a little bit smaller than my North Face backpack, but I think this will honestly keep me from overpacking, which is my greatest sin. The most exciting thing about this pack, beyond the color and the running harness, is that it has 8 pockets. 8! That is more than enough room for all of my snacks. It also has a hip belt and is reservoir compatible, so it will be flexible for any adventure that I decide to go on. Okay, let's go in the office so we can go check it out. Okay, here she is, the Osprey Tempest Velocity 20. And there's a couple reasons why I picked this bag. First, let me put it on and show you. Okay, so I haven't adjusted anything and it's probably not gonna fit correctly, but we will work on that. So it does have a hip belt, which tightened really smoothly, which I will use for like longer hiking sessions and times when I wanna keep the load off my back. But I really love these trail running vest harness thing. Oops, helps if you buckle them into the right place. So I love the idea of this vest because now I can put my phone in here, I can put water bottles up here or snacks, and keeps all the weight off my shoulders because of the hip belt. Also, it's pink, and who doesn't love a pink backpack? There's also all sorts of knickknackeries, doodads, if you will, that you can tighten, you can clip things to. I do love that it has on the side was recording and I was like, he's trying to tell me how to do a YouTube video. But on the side, it's got these clips that you can undo and put your hiking poles on the side of your bag, which I usually put mine on the inside of my bag. So this will be really nice to have them now on the outside and not get everything dirty. So it does have the cinched top, which I'm not really used to. So I'm gonna have to play around with that some. But on the inside, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a zipper pocket so I can like put my keys or chapstick or things I don't necessarily want falling to the bottom of my bag. Another pocket on the outside here for more stuff. It just ties closed like so. But yeah, I am super pumped about this because it's been a while since I bought a new backpack that I just really liked, and I love the look of this one. I love the feel, like the arch in my back feels very supported, and this is gonna be pretty dope. This is also your reminder that when you buy new gear, you need to test it out. You need to go make sure that it's not going to rub you in the wrong places or be tight or uncomfortable. So what I'm gonna have to do next is go for a hike. Make sure that this backpack does not rub me in weird places. But right now, it doesn't really rub at all. So when I do my dance moves, it's not gonna be in the way, which is great. So there you have it. That is the Osprey Tempest Velocity 20. I bought it from REI with my REI rewards. I ended up paying like $130 for this backpack, originally like $180. So totally worth it in my opinion. But yeah, now I gotta go take it out on some hikes, go test it out. If you have any questions about the backpack or some specs you'd like to see or anything I can help with, drop a comment, love to hear from you, or tell me which hike I should go take my backpack on. Because your girl is ready. See you on the trail.